Today on the channel, we've got some Legends of Boxing PC going into our fictional career of Joey Love, a heavyweight boxer. He is 10-0-1 with 9 knockouts, and he has made a name for himself in this heavyweight division. Today, he's fighting a mandatory defense, a regional title fight against Evan Lamana, who's the first, I think this is the first national tier fighter he's fought. Lamana, 9-2-1 with 5 knockouts. This should be a competitive fight. Let's see how it fares. Let's head to the ring. As you see here, Love against Lamana. Lamana's got a better chin than he's used to, and Lamana fights better against power physical fighters, so this could be right up his alley, and he does fight dirty, and his endurance is right up there with Love, so this could be a really good fight. No advantages here for Joey Love. Let's head to the ring.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Love will start out in pressure mode, and Lamana will be on the outside. You see from to 13, he's on the outside, so it's probably pretty close to half and half. But mostly it is from the outside. Here we go.
Unloads 2 jabs and goes downstairs to the midsection. There he blocks that. There's a 1-2 combination. There he blocks that. Stop. Right hand connects.
Nice hook from Love there.
Unloads 2 jabs and goes downstairs to the midsection.
Big combination.
Oh, and that left hand.
Lamana, though, not like the other fighters, he walked right through that.
Oh, there's a step in right hand. Unloads 2 jabs and goes downstairs to the midsection.
So a solid opening round for Joey Love. Landed a couple big shots, but Lamana does not look any worse for wear. Both fighters will be on the inside here in round 2.
Coming forward, lands the right. Another right hand connects. Right hand scores.
Love's in trouble. His eye is bleeding profusely.
Oh, and a nice right hook there. Oh, wow. Oh, Jesus.
My goodness gracious.
My gosh.
That's inappropriate to say the
That's
least.
assault, you guys.
Love with a huge low blow there. They had to stop the fight, give Lamana a chance to catch his breath. Love blinded by that bloody right eye. Lands a really troublesome shot there.
Unloads 2 jabs and goes downstairs to the midsection. Right hand connects. Sticks the jab. Good head movement.
And a good round for Evan Lamana as Love retreats back to his corner. Blood trickling from his right eye. Let's see if they can stop that cut. Lamana took advantage. We head to round 3.
Just trying to do his best to avoid the attack. Right hand connects. Unloads 2 jabs and goes downstairs to the midsection. Oh, there's a shot that lands on the jaw. A nice 1-2 combo. A nice 1-2 combo. Unloads 2 jabs and goes downstairs to the midsection. Right hand connects. Another right hand connects.
Big round for Lamana. Love may try to make a comeback there late in the round, but Lamana controlled the action for the most part. And Love is definitely in a little trouble. And it looks like he sees that. He's going to go into pressure mode here. Try to end this fight now before it gets too late for him with that eye.
Coming forward, lands the right. Another right hand connects. A nice 1-2 combo. Just trying to do his best to avoid the attack. Oh, there's a step in right hand. Coming forward, lands the right. There's a 1-2 combination.
Good exchange from these two fighters. Good exchange from these two fighters.
Just trying to do his best to avoid the attack.
Solid round from both fighters. Love applied the pressure, but Lamana stood there toe-to-toe with the champ. Lamana really wants this title, and Love will stay in pressure mode. Now Lamana moves to the outside. Round 5.
Oh, there's a step in right hand. Sweet overhand right. Oh, there's a shot that lands on the jaw.
Lamana has some swelling over his right eye.
Oh, there's a shot that lands on the jaw. There's a 1-2 combination. Coming forward, lands the right. Unloads 2 jabs and goes downstairs to the midsection.
Just missed that lunge and left hook. Did you see how close that was?
Another right hand connects. Misses with that straight right.
Good exchange from these two fighters.
And the referee pulls the fighters off of one another. What a fight so far. Evenly matched. Lamana not backing down here against the Jackhammer. Both fighters go to the outside, but with only one stamina point left, and want to take advantage of that 5 power. We're going to go pressure again.
forward, lands the right. There's a lead left hook. Coming forward, lands the right. Oh, and a nice right hook there. Oh, and that left hand.
That's some bad rolls on that chin check both times. LaMotta just shrugs it off.
Sweet overhand right. Oh, and gets jacked.
This guy, he lands a big one.
Punch.
The hook lands.
The double jab. Stop. Just trying to do his best to avoid the attack. Another right hand connects. Whoop! There it is!
Oh no! The referee stops the fight. And look at Joey Love's right eye, and that's going to be it. They wave it off. LaMotta wins it by cuts, on cuts. Joey Love loses his title. Rough going here. Tough loss. If cut is greater than 8, it's not. Then -1 to cut, otherwise no effect. Ooh, moves up to adept. And increase con by 1 step, so it's going to go up to 7. That's good. Jackhammer wants LaMotta again, but he's not going to get him. At 1-1, 2-2. Let's see who we got here. Michael McLeod's got 3 defense. I don't want to fight a guy that's got 1 defense. Let's just go for a. Let's go for a. Oh, how's he? Adam Williams on the decline, 37 years old. He was a decent fighter at one time, and now he is on the decline big time. We're going to take him. Adam Williams, the aging veteran. Business as usual.
Let's get ready to rumble!
After a tough loss, Joey Love gets set up with the veteran Adam Williams out of New Orleans, Louisiana. 49 wins, 19 losses. 24 of those wins by knockout. At one time, he was a competitive fighter. He's been in the game a long time, and now Love is on the rise, and he sees this as a good building block. Let's see how it plays out. Both fighters start out on the outside.
Coming forward, lands the right. Using some head movement. Bobbing and weaving. Right hand connects. Sticks the jab. Coming forward, lands the right.
Just missed that lunge and left hook. Did you see how close that was?
Right hand connects. Coming forward, lands the right. Right hand scores. Oh, that left hand!
Love lands a big hook, and it had Williams backing into the ropes. He got through the round. And now he's going to go into elusive mode. Love will stay on the outside. Round 2, scheduled for 8.
Flashes the jab. There's a 1-2 combination. There he blocks that. Using some head movement. Oh, there's a step in right hand. Oh, and a nice right hook there. A nice 1-2 combo. Good head movement. Good head movement. Using some head movement. Bobbing and weaving.
Quiet round there as neither fighter really produced much. And now both fighters are on the outside again. And we go to round 3.
Right hand connects. Right hand connects. Misses with that straight right. Another right hand connects. Oh, that left hand.
Oh, he's got him hurt. Love going in for the kill.
Sticks the jab. Oh, and that left hand.
He got him again. He's still hurt.
Right hand scores.
That's it. The referee steps in.
Lethal left uppercut.
Love finishes off Williams here in this 3rd round. TKO at 158. He just loaded up and landed some big shots there, and finally the referee stepped in to end it. Oh, let's see what we got here. It's a non-title fight. 1-1, 2-2. We're going to take on Ricky Hernandez, a national tier fighter. Ooh, insight, increase con by 1 step.
Let's get ready to rumble!
So Love comes into this fight confident. As you see, his con goes up to an 8. So it's he is a 6 because he's in pressure. Hernandez starts off on the inside. Hernandez, pretty good con. His defense is lax. His power is not great. His chin is not great. This should be an easy win for Love, but let's see how it plays out. Round 1.
The double jab. Oh, there's a step in right hand. Let him go.
We got a clash of heads. They're going to check for both fighters here. And both. As Love has a little blood trickling from his mouth. And the left eye of Hernandez is slightly swollen.
There he blocks that. Oh, there's a shot that lands on the jaw. There's a 1-2 combination. Another right hand connects. Another right hand connects. double jab.
Strong comeback by Joey Love as Hernandez had control there middle of the round, but a couple big shots from Joey Love gave him the edge there in round one. So a good action round. We head to round two. Both fighters go to the outside.
Oh, and a nice right hook there. Oh, there's a shot that lands on the jaw. Oh, and gets jacked on the jaw again, but eats the punch.
He caught Hernandez with that big right hook.
Good exchange from these two fighters.
Oh, and that left hand.
He lands another one.
Another right hand connects. Oh, there's a step in right hand.
Hernandez has some blood coming from his nose.
Another right hand connects. There's a lead left hook.
Straight right. The referee carefully looking at Hernandez.
Sticks the jab. Coming forward, lands the right.
And he gets through the round. Love punished Hernandez that round. And the referee was close to stopping it. We head to round three.
Coming forward, lands the right.
You gotta get your punches up, son, okay?
There's a lead left hook. Right hand connects. A nice 1-2 combo. Sweet overhand right. Using some head movement. Misses with that straight right. The double jab.
Good round from Joey Love. He's in control so far this one. And now we head to round four. It looks like Hernandez going into pressure mode. Love will stay on the outside. He's going to let Hernandez punch himself out.
Flashes the jab. Sticks the jab. Coming forward, lands the right. Oh, there's a step in right hand.
Just missed that lunge and left hook. Did you see how close that was?
Right hand connects. Coming forward, lands the right.
Stop, 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 stop.
There's a lead left hook.
Another good round from Joey Love. Hernandez really unable to apply any pressure. And Love still in control here. Now Hernandez is going to go into elusive mode. Start round five.
Using some head movement. Oh, there's a shot that lands on the jaw. Oh, and gets jacked on the jaw again, but eats the punch.
Big right hand from Love.
Oh, there's a shot that lands on the jaw.
And luckily for Hernandez, he's able to clinch.
Sticks the jab.
And again, Joey Love unable to finish.
Oh, there's a shot that lands on the jaw.
Nice hook from Joey Love.
Sweet overhand right.
Good exchange from these two fighters.
So even though Hernandez was trying to stay away, he couldn't stay away from that hook from Joey Love, who caught him with a big one early on and took the round away from Ricky Hernandez. This one so far has been all Joey Love. Round 6. Again, Hernandez in elusive mode.
Oh, a nice jab. Sticks the jab. Flashes the jab. Oh, there's a shot that lands on the jaw. Oh, there's a step in right hand. Oh, a nice jab. Coming forward, lands the right. Right hand scores. Misses with that straight right.
So Hernandez does a little better job of keeping away from that right hand of Joey Love that round. And that might be the closest round of the fight so far. Because Joey Love unable to really hurt Hernandez that round. Now both fighters go to the outside. Joey Love, though, I'm going to use my one strategy to go pressure mode. Try to take him out here and now, here in round 7.
Good exchange from these two fighters.
Another right hand connects. Sweet overhand right. Misses with that straight right. Oh, and a nice right hook there. Oh, and a nice right hook there. Coming forward, lands the right.
The right eye of Hernandez starting to swell up pretty good. And even though he was unable to really land any huge shots, Love takes the round pretty handily. We head to the 8th and final round, and it's going to have to be everything Hernandez could do to win this fight. Love stays in pressure mode. Hernandez stays on the outside. 8th and final round. It's been all Joey Love so far.
There's a lead left hook. Right hand connects. Right hand scores. Oh, and gets jacked on the jaw again, but eats the punch. Oh, a nice jab.
Oh, good shot.
What a 1-2 combination.
Hernandez is down. The right hand, 8. And he's up at a count of 8. I think the referee's got to call it. He does not look good. He is unsteady. And it's over. Not going to let Hernandez finish this one as the referee waves it off at 1:24 of round 8. As the Jackhammer lowers the boom on Ricky Hernandez. And let's take a look. Total domination. Didn't really matter if he finished the fight or not. It was, this would have been a prideful thing, as he was dominated from the opening bell. And Love moves to 12-1-1. national contender, Ronnie Ball, 42-17-3. He's a veteran fighter, but he's got that would be a big victory for Joey Love, and I think they're going to take it. A national contender. They're going to take it. Ronnie Ball. He'll get 3 reputation points for winning it. Increase Khan by 1 step. So Love will be at 8 again. That'll help. We'll do this fight and then we'll put a pin in it for the next time.
Let's get ready to rumble!
This was a tough decision to fight Ronnie Ball, one of the top contenders on the national scene. But Love said, I want this fight. And let's see what happens. Round 1, scheduled for 8.
Oh, there's a shot that lands on the jaw. There's a lead left hook.
Stop!
Oh, there's a shot that lands on the jaw. Oh, there's a shot that lands on the jaw. Right hand scores. Unloads 2 jabs and goes downstairs to the midsection. Right hand scores. Sweet overhand right.
Not a good start for Joey Love. Ronnie Ball comes out and puts the pressure on him from the opening bell. And Joey Love will switch to pressure mode himself, and now Ball goes to the outside. Round 2.
Oh, a nice jab.
Good exchange from these 2 fighters. Let him go.
Sweet overhand right. Another right hand connects. Oh, there's a step in right hand. Sweet overhand right. Sweet overhand right. Oh, and gets jacked on the jaw again, but eats the punch.
Love lands that patented hook, and Ball felt that one.
There's a 1-2 combination. Oh, and gets jacked on the jaw again, but
Big
eats the punch.
combination from Love. The bell sounds. Big round from Joey Love. He had Ball on the ropes, and he was saved by the bell there for sure. Now Love will go to the outside, and Ball will stay on the inside. We're going to use our 1 change here to go to pressure and see if he can keep that pressure on Ronnie Ball. Round 3.
A nice 1-2 combo. Oh, and that left hand.
Huge combination.
Good exchange from these 2 fighters.
Drives him into the ropes with another one.
Another right hand connects. Unloads 2 jabs and goes downstairs to the midsection. Oh, there's a shot that lands on the jaw.
Good exchange from these 2 fighters.
Coming forward, lands the right. Oh!
It's over!
There is a lethal left uppercut!
The left hook lands and the referee jumps in as Ball looked ready to go. And Ronnie Ball is out on his feet. Joey Love is going to win it by TKO here in round 3. A huge, huge victory for Joey Jackhammer Love. He goes to 13-1-1 with 11 knockouts. Oh, so close to development there. So 3 straight wins after that loss to LaManna. Woo! Up and comer Jerome Warren. He looks a little tough for my liking. 8 chin, 3 defense. No thank you. This guy fights a lot on the outside. So does he. Gennaro Moore, another veteran. His will and TKO. We're going to do Daniel Rawls for our next fight. Fighter suffers cut in training. -1 cut for next fight. So there you go. So he's now at 38. Needs 2 more. If he wins this fight, he should get another shot at the regional, or he might go American. We'll see what happens. That's it from here. Joey Love, again, drops a tough one there and lost his title to Evan LaManna. He's now won 3 in a row by knockout. And he's got another fight. Daniel Rawls in the crosshairs for his next bout, and he hopes to get back looking for another championship. We'll see you next time for Joey Love's next batch of bouts. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.